The Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Industry, Trade and Cooperatives, Honorable Peter Munya, commissioned new assembly lines at the Isuzu East Africa Assembly Plant, constructed at a cost of Kenya shilling 1 billion. Speaking at the commissioning ceremony, Isuzu East Africa Managing Director Rita Kavashe indicated the move was a demonstration of Isuzu East Africa's manufacturing capacity to locally assemble a wide range of upcoming commercial vehicles that meet diverse customer needs in different economic sectors.
Our capacity is to produce around 11,000 vehicles per annum. Right now, we are only operating at 40% in terms of the installed capacity of our operation. So we have capacity to do more, and that's why the CS is here to support us in terms of policy, because already we have the ability to produce more and deliver more. In a month, we can do up to 600 units of production. So we can increase our working time and all that. So in terms of capacity, we have the capacity to do about 11,000 vehicles per annum. Anti-Counterfeit Agency has been working with industry to really reduce the influx of counterfeit and safe materials that come to our market. And auto sector is not exempted from that. And we've had some great work that already has been done, and we have seen a complete reduction. Like imported used parts are no longer coming into the market as we are talking right now after working with the Kenya Bureau of Standards. And there's a lot of compliance that is required for you to confirm from source whether these products that are coming into our market meet the quality standards.
While delivering his keynote address at the commissioning ceremony, Cabinet Secretary Peter Munya congratulated Isuzu East Africa on the milestone, noting the investment was a demonstration of confidence in Kenya and the government. CS Munya noted that the expansion by Isuzu East Africa was in line with the government's ambition to grow the country's manufacturing sector.
The policy on use of local parts is already envisioned in the budget. So the finance bill, if you listen to the budget speech, already contained that element of restricting the importation of certain automotive parts that are available locally. And the list that is supposed to be gazetted of those parts is already there, awaiting the parliamentary committee that looks at subsidiary legislation to approve it for anyone's gazettement. So it is now. That is happening now. So in another few weeks, when Parliament goes through that process, and I don't think they have any issue with that particular list, they pass the finance bill, then the law is assented to, and it comes into effect. On the other general part, local content policy, where we are making a master list of available products in all the other sectors, the technical committee of the permanent secretaries that are involved in this sector are doing a retreat to develop a white paper that will be brought to cabinet for adoption. So, and they are doing that retreat next week, and then they will bring the list. The cabinet will adopt it, and then it will be gazetted. So we are talking about things that are happening right now. The other policy, automotive policy, of course, is also looking at that 3-year graduation that Dr. Kirubi was talking about, to support those who keep adding value, those who keep, like already Isuzu has gone to CKD3.
The assembly lines commissioned by CS Peter Munya include an electro-deposition paint shop using advanced technology in applying the first coat on the vehicles, ensuring longer paint life and finish, a dynamic test center that will provide finer vehicle inspections such as speed test, brake test, headlamp test, among others, and water leak test booths that will run tests to ensure all vehicle cabins remain waterproof.